it's Sam with WTI. I just have to tell you about this super cute chair here. So we were looking to just add an extra chair into our living room, and we found this online. We've never bought like furniture online that you build, so we were a little nervous, but this was so easy to put together. It came with very clear instructions. It took my husband maybe 20 minutes to put together, and it's so sturdy as well. It's so sleek looking and beautiful and comfortable too. The material is this beautiful polyester. It's soft, durable, smooth. It's in a navy blue, and the wood is dark walnut, and it is wood at the bottom. It's just beautiful. As you can see here, it looks beautiful as an accent chair. If you are looking for a new chair, I definitely recommend this one, and that is my point of view.